In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Ads account, a process that, believe it or not, can be both straightforward and beneficial for your advertising strategies. This efficient method opens up a realm of possibilities, from enhanced tracking to a more streamlined management of your ads, by integrating various services you might be using alongside Google Ads. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this by searching for Google Ads on your preferred search engine or entering the direct URL into your browser's address bar. Upon arriving at the homepage, you'll be greeted with an overview of your account. It's useful to note here that this step assumes you've already set up a Google Ads account. If not, you'll want to walk through the account creation process first. Now, moving on, once you're comfortably within the dashboard of your Google Ads account, look for the Tools icon. This might seem a bit elusive at first glance, but it's typically located at the top of the page, nestled among various icons and options. Hovering over this Tools icon will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is where Google groups various account management and setup features, including the one we're interested in today, the Data Manager. Go ahead and click on Data Manager within this drop-down menu. This page plays a crucial role in how your Google Ads account interacts with other services and tools. The Data Manager essentially acts as the conduit for these interactions, managing the flow of information between Google Ads and other platforms. Once you're in the Data Manager section, you'll notice a segment that showcases the different services you can link your Google Ads account with. This is an exciting part because it opens up a treasure trove of integration possibilities. Depending on what other tools or services you're using as part of your digital advertising or business ecosystem, you may find options here that can dramatically streamline your workflow or enhance your ads performance. It's like unlocking a new level in a game where the rewards help you play better, smarter, and more efficiently. But why go through this process? Linking your Google Ads account with other Google products like Analytics, for example, allows for a deeper, more granular understanding of how your ads are performing, right down to how users interact with your website after clicking an ad. Other integrations might enable more efficient management of customer relationships or automate the import of conversion data, saving you time and potentially improving the ROI of your ad spend. It's all about making the most of the tools at your disposal to optimize your campaigns. Remember, the exact process for linking each service might vary slightly. Typically, it involves selecting the service you want to link, providing the necessary permissions or information, and then confirming the linkage. Take your time to carefully go through these steps for each service you're interested in linking. If ever in doubt, Google's support documentation is incredibly detailed, offering step-by-step guides on linking various services. In summary, linking your Google Ads account with other Google products or services you use isn't just a neat organizational trick, it's a strategic move that can enhance the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. With everything seamlessly connected and communicating, you're able to gather more insights, make more informed decisions, and ultimately drive better results from your ads. And that's all for today's tutorial on how to link your Google Ads account. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel confident in exploring the integration options available within your Google Ads account. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep growing your business with these powerful tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.